Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 2, saving the PowerPoint presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to the desktop application, Microsoft PowerPoint. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way around to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to Mac Office. In the previous tutorial, I did show you how to start a blank document. In this tutorial, we are now looking to save the PowerPoint itself. So let's click on Microsoft PowerPoint, blank presentation. Let's create as we did in the previous tutorial. Let's now increase the size of the PowerPoint window itself. And now let's go to File, Save. Let's now save this to the desktop, or what we can do is locate a folder we wish to save the project in. In this case, let's just go to Documents. If we wish to, go to my YouTube channel, or go one back. Let's now create a new folder. Call this PowerPoint. Create, change presentation 1 to work.pptx. Save. Let's now quit PowerPoint for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Go to the Documents folder. Click on PowerPoint. And there we have the presentation located in the PowerPoint folder. Let's click on Work. And there we go. So we can now quit Finder, quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.